In this video, I show you how to fix Gboard new emoji not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Gboard, tap on Gboard, tap on Update if available in Update. Then go to Settings, then go to Apps. Now see all apps. Now search Gboard, tap on Gboard, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete. Now I hope that this method fix Gboard new emoji not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.